Good morning, guys. It is the morning of Hurricane Beryl, and it is very early here. Matter of fact, it's just 4:51 a.m. And while the place is very quiet outside, we have gotten about 30 minutes of rain earlier, and it was terrible. The wind started blowing and the rain came down very heavily. And guys, we have just got power, so we are out of power for almost a day, even before the hurricane hits. So this is my preparation video. I am leaving home and we have already pulled out the camp. So once the morning comes out unedited, I'm going to upload this video and show you how we evacuate this place. And once the morning comes out, I am going to get a shower, eat, and right before 8 o'clock, because the worst weather starts around 10 to 11, and right before 8 o'clock I am going to escape this place. Even though we're in the hills, it is very dangerous because we do live near a little spring, or you can say a river, and when the water comes down, it comes heavily. So in case there's an emergency, we will not be able to escape in time. So guys, without further ado, I have packed my bag and I have put as much as I can into plastic. So we are gonna leave this place right now. Let's go. For he maketh his sun to rise on the evil and on the good, and sendeth rain on the just and on the unjust. I am currently eating breakfast to start my day, and I do have some clothes on the line outside to be removed before the rain comes. So I'm going to remove them and place them inside of the house so they can finish drying, because we are going to have a lot of wet weather, so it wouldn't make any sense to keep them outside. Now I'll go ahead and feed the chickens to make sure that they have enough food in their coop. And I do have multiple chicken in separate coops, so I'm going to feed them. So far, this is how the place is looking. It is very bright and it is partly cloudy as well so far. And this is outside the camp. German went ahead and pulled off the main zinc from the front so that the wind won't blow them away. And he has just been packing up his stuff into a safer place. Guys, I'm up by the chicken coop. No rain as yet, but the wind is blowing slightly. We're just gonna brace for impact of what is about to come later with this Hurricane Beryl. And I'm just gonna stop by the river and get a bottle of water before the stream comes down. And I'm gonna show you how dangerous it is to cross from our home onto the road, so in case there's an emergency so we have to move right now. Now I'll go ahead and feed the rest of the chicken that is in the separate coops, and I'm just stocking them up so in case of the rain and I cannot get to them as soon as possible. I am leaving, guys, with my bag and my water bottle, and this is the main problem that we have. This pathway down there, which is like the gully, so once the rain starts falling heavily, that becomes very runny. It just runs all the way down to the main spring and it will be dangerous. So I'm leaving. It is actually early, like 8:32, and I'm heading to another house on another hill, which is more secure than here. But I'm just standing in the gully here now, and I tell, look at the height. That is the top of the road, and if the rain comes down, it's going to fall very heavy on me. It's actually June, so I'm gonna hurry up, and I'm not gonna stop by the river anymore because I'm just not gonna stop. I have some water in my bottles. So without further ado, we're escaping Hurricane Beryl. Guys, I'm walking, but the rain is coming, so I'm going to update you once I reach. This is the beautiful morning look in the valley, and here we have some of our friends that is resting now. It's raining, guys, but I just arrived to the destination with my big bag. I'm going inside now. Before the rain comes and the wind, I am just outside this beautiful morning of the hurricane cooking some pasta and tuna together, and I've just find this ongoing fire and I'm going to use it to cook my meal, to store it inside. So guys, I'm outside again, even though I'm running from the rain. I'm going to add some water to the pot and let that boil. Then I will add the pasta and some salt as well. Now the pasta has finished cooked, and I'm going to drain off the excess water and remove the pasta from the pot and add some coconut oil and some tuna to the pot and give that a gentle fry. Now it's time to add a bit of tomato sauce just to blend in with the tuna so I can create the sauce for the pasta. It's now time to add in our pasta into the tuna mixture, and I will give that a mix until everything is combined, and I will cover the pot and let that preheat for a while before adding more tomato sauce. Now our tuna pasta is ready. Look how beautiful it looks before the storm, guys. This is my snack, and I'm going to go ahead and share it into one of our famous village style bowl. And once I have already shared it, I'm going to go ahead and sit down and eat, because right now we have a bit of a fairer weather than what is expected to come. Guys, I'm finished cooking my village style pasta. Here it is, and I'm wishing you a safe hurricane season. Please stay safe and take the weather warning very serious. I'm sending a blessing to you and your family. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you. May the Lord be gracious unto you. May the Lord lift up his countenance and give you his peace. From my family to yours, have a blessed week.